In this tutorial, we're going to talk about pulling in on the left. Your tester will ask you to pull in on the left where you see it safe to do so. This means pull in and park your car where you would not be blocking another road user and you abide by the rules of the road. So how do we pull in on the left? Pulling in on the left routine is mirrors, signal, speed, gear, and position. Then secure your vehicle as parked. Mirror, rear view mirror and left mirror. Signal, signal left. Speed, slow down to suit the situation. Gear, select the gear that suits your speed. Position, move to the left, straighten up and stop. Handbrake, neutral and relax. You've now pulled in on the left. From normal driving, you will be asked to pull in on the left, where it is safe to do so. So we'll pull in after the junction. Mirrors, signal, pull in, straighten up and stop. Once stopped, handbrake, neutral and relax. And now a top view. So don't forget, move in, straighten up and stop. Make sure you're parallel with the curb. Pulling in on the left is very easy. Just make sure if you were pulling in after a junction, signal at the junction and not before. Also, don't forget to handbrake and neutral after you stop. You are then parked and this will give you a little time to relax. Common issues: forgetting to seek out an appropriate place to stop, not checking mirrors correctly, or stopping where the rear of your car is out further than the front. Remember, when your tester asks you to pull in on the left, it is up to you to do this in a timely manner. When you are on your live driving lessons, your driving instructor will help you and advise you on timing and also on smooth, timely control of your vehicle.